Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can use the traffic layers for the Waze application really quickly. So let us get started. Now to access these layers you will need to access the Waze map editor. To do that, here on your live map, click on these 9 dots in the top right corner and select the map editor from the drop down menu. And here in the map editor, what you want to do guys is take a look at that panel on the right hand side, and at the top of it you will see that layer icon here. So select it to access the map layers and simply go through that list of various traffic layers, like for example enable the roads layers and select these boxes here to the left for the given layer, like segments or junction boxes, house numbers, and so on and so forth. You may do the same for places here at the top with residential or parking lots and so on and so forth. And also go through these layers here at the bottom, display layers, for example, for satellite imagery or GPS points and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.